Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on problems with money. Our work with decimals puts us in a good position to be able to solve problems that involve money. Example 1. Bill bought 3 kilograms of apples costing $1.57 per kilogram. What was the total cost? So we have $1.57 per kilogram. There are 3 kilograms, so it's simple multiplication. And the answer is $4.71. So you can pause the video at any time and check that that working is correct. Example 2. Sue bought a loaf of bread for $2.56, a litre of milk for $1.85, and some juice for $3.48. What was the total cost? So with this one, you just add the three amounts. $2.56, $1.85, $3.48. So when you add those together, you get $7.89 as the total cost. And again, you're able to pause the video at any time to check the answer. Example 3. Matt bought 4 pens at $1.89 each, 3 books at $2.35 each, and 2 erasers at $1.10 each. What was the total cost? What is the change from $20? So we have 4 pens at $1.89, so there's your multiplication, which gives you $7.56 for the pens. We have 3 books at $2.35 each, so there's the multiplication, and that gives you $7.05 for the books. And we have 2 erasers at $1.10 each, and the multiplication gives us $2.20 for the total cost of the erasers. So the total cost of all the items, you just add those 3 amounts together. And that gives us $16.81. And again, please feel free to pause the video and check that the addition is correct. So the change from $20, we have $20 minus $16.81. Now you need to take a bit of time here to check this solution, and if you take your time and see all the trading that I've done, you will see that the change from $20 is $3.19. So this video has looked at some basic problems involving money, where the main operations we've done are multiplication, we've done some addition, and we've also done some subtraction. And it's very similar to the work we did on decimals. That's why it was quite straightforward.